everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we've got brand new to the channel, brand new subscription coming in. So this is the Ipsy Glambag. I think that's what it's, yeah, that's what it's called, probably, yeah.
If not, that's a great tagline.
Yeah.
Ipsy Glambag.
So this is $12 a month US. And for some reason, I got two. So I probably messed something up. But these are both March.
Oh no, you got them both at the same time?
Yeah, they're both March.
Oh.
So, let's see what we have and see if
figure that out.
they're the same, and if not, you know, why I have two.
Okay.
I probably made a mistake. So, let's see what we have inside bag number 1. Okay, so this is, I think you're supposed to get 5 sample size products and sometimes a full size. And every month comes with a different makeup bag. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So this is this month's bag. So it's kind of like, it's probably faux, but it's like a leather. And it's got studs. And
Oh, wow.
I like the contrast of colors.
Is that called a clasp?
Nice. A what?
Clasp?
No, clutch.
Clutch.
But it's a makeup bag, so it's not really. But you can use it as a clutch. It's cute. It's very cute. So there was 2 items outside the bag. So you can pick one item, and this is the item I picked. It is a makeup brush. I can get it out. Oh, it's pretty. Look how pretty that is. Gold.
It looks
and
really,
gray.
really, like.
So this is an all over. What's that?
Made. It looks really well made for like a makeup brush.
Yeah, it's pretty. It was soft. Feel soft.
Yeah.
So this is an all over shadow brush. I'm not sure what the brand is.
Comes with its own holder.
It does come with its own holder. And the bristles don't come out when you pull on it. So that's item number 1. And that is the item I picked.
That's a nice brush. What's the handle made of?
I think just plastic.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so item number 1. Item number 2 is a Real Beauté. Why did I say Beauté?
Because you were already parlaying from cheese.
Real, I think. Beauty. Hydration, refresh, and moisturize facial sheet masks. I love a sheet mask. I especially love a sheet mask that you don't have to wash off or you just rub stuff into your face. Oh, so we got 2.
So you put it on your face and wet it down, kind of a mask? Or is it?
No, it's already wet.
Oh, okay.
So you just put it on. So we got a vitamin C brighten and glow mask.
Is that one of the peel them off and then it pull stuff with it kind of thing?
No, it's just like paper, like wet paper, basically.
Oh, right.
I do like those masks though.
Yeah.
And then the second one is a hydration, refresh, and moisturize. So this one contains, so the hydration mask contains pineapple extract, orange fruit extract, and rose extract. And it's on a bamboo sheet.
Oh, that's cool.
And then the vitamin C facial sheet mask has pomegranate fruit extract, fig fruit extract, and citrus fruit extract. It's also on a bamboo sheet. And these are masks that you can put on and remove and then pat the excess into the skin. So you don't have to rinse it off, which is good if you are lazy. Because usually I like to...
So it's like a sheet of paper that's made from bamboo.
Yeah.
And then they soak it in whatever nice stuff. And
then you put it, slap it on.
Okay, that's pretty neat.
Yeah.
I like that.
Usually when I do a sheet mask, I'm in
bed. That doesn't
bed.
dissolve though, right? You have to take all that off after a while.
It's just,
Do you sleep with it on?
No. You leave it on for 10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes.
10 to 20 it says. So that's item number 2. And now we can go into the bag. And, oh, there's some bubble wrapped items in here.
What a treat.
So the first is from Naked Cosmetics, and it is a Pressed Pigments eyeshadow. I think the shade is Mother Nature. It's like a little matchstick box, isn't it? Oh, wrong way.
Is this going to be,
Ooh.
what is that?
An eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow. Okay.
And it's magnetic.
That's pretty neat. That's like a nice little sample.
Yeah. Oh no, that was probably full size.
Yeah, but in a normal palette, you'd have like 10 things.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
So it is a really pretty gold shimmer shade, like
It's
very
really
nice
nice,
pigment. And it came out really nicely.
You gonna keep that?
I think so. Well, I touched it, so yeah, I'll keep it.
Yeah, I guess.
So that's item number 3. Okay, item number 4 is a little squeezy tube. And it's from the brand Hey Honey.
Is it kind of the metallic tube instead of like a plastic?
Yeah, it is actually.
Yeah, that's nice.
Relax. Propolis and Honey Soothing Moisturizer. Calms redness. Ooh, and upset skin. I have a problem with redness on my skin, especially when I get embarrassed. My skin. That's not really a thing that moisturizer would help though. But I do have a definite redness to
But
my
your
skin.
face going red? Because
yeah.
No, probably not. But it would definitely help with like dryness, I guess.
So this is a deeply restorative, botanically based formula which is designed to hydrate, repair, and comfort unbalanced and upset skin. And little squeezy tube. So I'm excited for that. I'll definitely get good use out of that. Okay, item number 5 is again in bubble wrap, which means it's something good to protect.
Is it another eyeshadow?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
So this is from the brand Shayna B, Miami, and it is a highlighter in the shade Guava Glow. Ooh,
Guava?
that's pretty. That's a pretty pink shimmer
Just by the name,
shade.
I wouldn't have guessed it would be pink.
I don't know what color
green.
guava is.
I was thinking like guacamole, maybe. The green color of guacamole.
That's different. That's not the same. It's powdery. Let's give it a little swatch.
It's the color of your flesh. Pretty close.
It's
it's like a shimmer.
It's
going
right
on
here.
there.
You can't really see it.
When the light
It's
hits
nice
it,
and
it
subtle.
glows. Yeah.
It's very subtle. It's very powdery.
That's for your cheeks.
That's for above your cheeks right here.
Yeah. So
Where
yeah,
you get
like
highlighted?
it would glow.
Yeah,
in the
that's
light.
nice. That's nice. You don't want to look like C3PO.
Yeah, that's fair.
And the last item is also in bubble wrap. Oh, it's from Wonder
I like that
Beauty.
they protect the individual things.
Yeah, that's nice.
Pretty nice.
It's a nice extra step that they do.
Yeah.
I get it out. So this is from Wander Beauty, and it says Trip to Costa Rica. And
That one looks
got
like
my
a
little
nice
knife
one.
out.
Careful.
I'm being careful. I mean, I'm not always careful.
I should get the big hunting knife for you, just so you got like some.
I would kill myself with that.
Rah!
So this is a I want to say it's an eyeshadow, but it doesn't say what it is.
What's the name of it?
Maybe it's a press. It's
Costa-
Trip to Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
So it's powdery.
Ooh.
I don't know what that is supposed to be. It's this peachy color right here. I don't know if it's an eyeshadow or a bronzer.
It looks like it would be an eyeshadow.
Oh, it's also magnetized. But hopefully the pamphlet tells us what that is. Okay, so it comes with a little pamphlet.
Celebrate you.
Celebrate you. I like to celebrate me. Okay, so this was a bronzer.
So for like an eyeshadow then. What's that mean? A bronzer. Sorry.
That is just to give your skin like a nice tanned kind
So
of
you'd
glow.
put that all over your whole face?
So usually, well, I don't really use a lot of bronzer because I don't want to do it wrong. But usually you would put like anywhere like the sun would hit you.
Oh, I see. So it's like it's a fake tan type of thing?
Kind of.
Okay.
Yeah. So this doesn't give you full size prices. Well, it gives you the full size price, but not the size prices.
You want me to add them up still?
No, that's all right. No point really.
Mm.
Okay, so the full size of the Hey Honey Relax is $42.
Oh, wow.
The full size of the Naked Cosmetics pigment is $14.99. The full size value of these sheet masks is $15, and you get 5 masks in each, or just no, 1 sheet. Oh, so the full size is 5 sheets, and you only get 1 of each. The Wander Beauty Trip to Costa Rica bronzer, full size $36. This is the full size.
The full sizes must be like huge, right? For those prices, like that $45 thing.
Yeah, yeah. The all over shadow brush. This is full size. Obviously, this is worth $18. And the Shayna
It's in the bag.
Oh, thank you, babe. And the Shayna Be Miami Highlight and Guava Glow is the full size is $29. So, what do we think of this bag, Jason? It's kind of cool.
I think it's pretty neat.
Fun.
You get a little like makeup bag with the sample size stuff in it. I think it's quality stuff.
Yeah. Let's like just pick our favorites just for fun. I'm gonna
Since
go with
$11.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
I'm gonna go with this brush.
Yeah, the brush is really
The
nice.
sheet masks. This Relax Cream Moisturizer. And then the eyeshadow. And then the highlighter. And then the bronzer, because I probably won't use that.
So every one of these bags you open, you get a new makeup bag in it?
Yeah.
It's fun.
It is fun, but I don't know what I'm going to do with all these makeup bags once they start coming in.
You could do giveaways.
Could do giveaways. I could stuff them full of makeup and then give them away.
Yes.
I like that they don't try and smoosh the products into the bag if they don't fit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was our first, that was number 1. We still have a whole another one open. Let's get to it.
Not if it's the same bag.
So our second bag, let's see if it's all duplicates or if we got any
It's the same bag.
different items. It might not be.
You ordered it twice.
No, see, we got different masks. So we got a brush again. We got bubble tea face masks in lemongrass and green tea, hydrating and toning, and his hibiscus and acai berry tea in hydrating and toning as well. So these are 20-minute masks. And you can massage the remaining into your skin.
That's fun.
Alright, so 1 repeat so far.
It's going to be
Same
repeated.
bag. You don't know that. You're so negative.
Okay.
The pamphlet. This is different.
It's the same kind of product. It's very nice.
This is from Lottie.
I think you double ordered it.
I know, I probably did.
Okay. All right.
So this is from Lottie London Shimmer Squad, and it's the Good Girl. So I'm guessing it's a highlighter. Oh, like that's a real sample, Jay. Like.
Oh, it's like in a plastic.
Yeah, so like you can buy makeup compacts that are magnetic, and then they hold these kind of things in them.
Oh.
So it's looks like it's a highlighter again. And that is the shade. I'm not gonna swatch it because I have enough highlighters, goodness knows, right now. So that's item number 3. So still only 1 duplicate.
Yeah.
Item number 4 is a brow wand. Ooh, a brow wand.
Oh, neat.
Ooh.
So what's that? Like a brush that you like tease them up with? Or something?
Well, let's do a sided. It's an eyebrow
brow
pencil.
Never mind. I was thinking lashes or something.
In the shade Peanut Butter. I wonder if it smells like peanut butter.
It's like a marker. Oh, it's like a lipstick.
Yeah, kind of.
For your
So
eyebrows.
you got your spoolie, so you want to like spoolie your eyebrows, right?
You put the lipstick on first and then spread it through with the brush.
No.
Oh.
No. You do this? I mean, I think. So you want to you groom them, and then you fill in all the sparsity with this.
Oh.
So let's see.
Is that how some women end up with like drawn on eyebrows?
Yep.
Because they pluck away and then draw them on?
Yep. Because if
Oh,
you pluck
that's-
too much, it won't come back.
That's pretty wild.
I mean, it's a little hard, but and it's broken now.
I'm not judging people with drawn on eyebrows.
He's not judging you. So
No,
that is
sorry.
the lines.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's an exciting product. I'll definitely use that. Okay, item number 5. There's actually 6 items in here. Item number 5 is from Honolulu. It's a kukui lip balm in the scent taste, whatever you call it, Island Mint.
Did you intentionally order 2 of them just because you're like, it's $22, whatever, I'll get
No, I didn't intentionally order 2 of
Okay.
them. I think that I just did it accidentally because I'm not the brightest.
Well, you
So
say
it's
so.
just a lip balm. What's minty? Jay, minty fresh?
Oh, sorry. Oh, it is very minty. Yeah, that's nice. I like that.
Feels good on the lips. Feels good on the lips. And the last item is again from Wander Beauty, but I think it's different. It is different. It's an eyeshadow. So here's the packaging. And it's an eyeshadow in the shade Bouquet. Oh, wow. Crease proof, fade proof. Look at that color. Jason, look at this color.
Golden glimmer.
Very gold. Wow. It's a little flaky. You probably want to pack that down. Where did it go? Oh my gosh, where did it go? It's right here. I got a lot of shimmers going on in my hand here. It's right, this color right here. It's a little chunky.
Oh yeah.
But it's really pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so I got 2 bags. I'm going to have to figure that out because I probably made an error. I like the second bag better, I think. Just because it had a lot more products I'll probably use. I like the brush, the eyebrow brush, the lip balm, and the sheet masks. That's the order which I liked these, and then the Shimmer Squad, and then the Wander Beauty eyeshadow. So yeah, we only got 1 duplicate, and Jason, I don't know if you know this, but when you do Ipsy, you make a profile, so you like put in your eye color, your skin color.
Send you appropriate products.
Yeah, what kind of skin you have, like problems with your skin. What else? I put in that I have brown hair and not mostly gray.
So that's why you double ordered that. Because you're like, I'm going to get all this stuff that works for Megan.
I promise I didn't. I mean, I get enough stuff. I don't need 2 boxes, 2 additional bags.
Well,
but
you better figure it out then.
I will figure it out, my love. Don't you worry.
It's nice stuff though.
Don't you worry.
I'm just being a cheap old crudgety bastard. Excuse me.
Bad word. Bad word. Okay, so that was the 2 bags from Ipsy for the month of March. New to the channel. I liked them. Did you like them, Jay?
Yeah, I like that you. I didn't know that you could customize, like put in your makeup profile.
Oh yeah, and you can choose whether you want mostly skincare or mostly makeup, and if you want adventurous makeup.
So you should go with more, like instead of just makeup, like be more like you get more makeup from other boxes.
I think I did like half and half.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah. So that was March's Ipsy Glambag. I hope you all enjoyed this video and the extra bag I got. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can do that here. And if you want to watch more videos, they are right here. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.